William George Armstrong. William George Armstrong was basically a solicitor who was genuinely interested in engineering. Generally, in his spare time, he was indulged in the activities of inventing little things which made the daily work easy. During one of his fishing visits, he was thrilled by the idea that the energy and the power that was being wasted could be used for lifting heavy things. So he designed a rotator engine based on the similar concept. He later developed a piston engine instead of the rotator, which helped in a hydraulic crane. In 1845, his work was set in motion. Newcastle Corporation installed the hydraulic cranes in Quayside. These proved to be much better than the conventional ones as they lifted much heavier weight and cost less. He was also the developer of the hydraulic accumulator in 1850. In 1854, during the Crimean War, he built a breech loading gun which fired a shell rather than a ball. A more complex version of this was developed later in 1859 by him, which was presented to Queen Victoria. William Harvey. William Harvey was a great English physician who pioneered the complete description of the concept of systematic circulation, detailed properties of the blood that is being pumped by the heart to the entire body. History states that Harvey was a humorous yet a very precise man who would often be insomniac owing to his mind that would just never stop pondering. The initial years of Harvey's education was in Folkestone. He studied Latin. Thereafter, he entered King's School in Canterbury. 5 years from there, he went into Cambridge's Caius College, where he got his Bachelor's of Arts degree in the year 1597. At the age of 24, Harvey graduated as Doctor of Medicine on 25th April 1602. Reports state that Harvey had conducted himself so brilliantly in the exams and exhibited such great skills, learning, and memory power that he surpassed all expectations that his examiners had of him. William Kennedy Laurie Dickson. William Kennedy Laurie Dickson was born on 3rd August 1860. He was a French-born Scot inventor who designed an early motion picture camera under the supervision of Thomas Edison. William Kennedy Laurie Dickson was an inventor, director, producer, cinematographer, and actor. Dickson invented the first realistic celluloid film for this application and determined on 35 mm for the size. This standard is still used. Laurie Dixon and his team at the Edison lab started working on the expansion of the kinetoscope for more than a few years. In May 1891, the first functioning model was revealed. The blueprint of system was effectively finalized by the autumn of 1892. On 9th May 1893, the accomplished version of the kinetoscope was formally unveiled at the Brooklyn Institute of Arts and Sciences. He died at the age of 75 in England on 28 September 1935. William Potts. William Potts was born in Michigan and served as a Detroit police officer from the age of 17. He is credited to invent a three-way traffic light in 1920. Officially, he did not get the patent for his invention. But since the legal battle started between the manufacturers of the traffic light, the United States District Court certified Potts to have started the use and construction of the first four-way traffic signal. William Potts invented the yellow or the amber light so that the traffic police might not have to switch the red and the green signal. It was this achievement in managing the ever-increasing traffic on the roads that he was promoted to the post of superintendent. Signal Person Police, Detroit. Potts installed automatic light signal system in 15 towers of the traffic signal in the Detroit. He retired from police services in 1939 and joined Safety and Traffic Department of the Automobile Club of Michigan. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.